Hain ang mga tao, digdi.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Tao ka? Mundo ka? Oh!
Uy! 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 Hay, mga tao digdi be, walang klase.
Ay, te, wala man digdi ang mga tao.
Ay, taahain.
Duman, sa bagong building baga.
Aw, nen, sa inan.
Isus, duman nga ni. Ano nga iba ka sa ko?
Ngiton be.
Pero te, wait, curious lang.
Nganim, ano?
Ano ka nakahaloy na gadan?
Haloy na ako gadan. Paigday ka pa lang, yaong na ako. Sa haloy ko digdi, inabutan ko na ang paggibukan biyo kaitong 1969. Bisto mo sinda Senator Dominador R. Ito na. Congressman Carlos R. Imperial, tapos si Congressman Jose M. Alberto. Sinda ang founding fathers kan Bicol University. On June 21, 1969, through the Republic Act 5521, Bicol Region's leading and outstanding state university was established, the Bicol University. On September 22, 1970, by virtue of Board of Regents Resolution No. 1, Bicol University was institutionalized. BU aims to promote scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values.
BU main is Daraga, Tabaco, Ginubatan, Pulanggi, and Gubat are the 7 BU campuses.
They offer programs and courses in various fields, where thousands of scholars ng bayan from different provinces in the Bicol region. Asa na? Ayun! BU's mission is to offer professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, the sciences, and arts. Besides promoting scientific and technological research among BUenos. O ikaw man sa Inkamanhaling College! Mula sa tahanan ng matatalino, matatapang, talentado at magagaling! May kulang ka na! Ano man? Mula sa tahanan ng matatalino, matatapang, talentado at magagaling! Nabinding!
Beses ikaw ron ka to.
Bakit di tayo nagpa-practice kan script?
Buakong bagaan lanyard o.
Narinig ko na ito kanina.
Welcome sa Newcal Building! Hindi kami nagkaklase.
Wow, magayon ang mandig sa Newcal.
Ito ang first floor. Ito ang second floor. At ito ang CR naman. At dito naman ang third floor. At ito ang lobby.
Ayos maray nang palang ining bagong building kang College of Arts and Letters.
Ay, maray talaga. Hindi sa College of Arts and Letters, yao na mga artista kanbayan, mga makata, mga dekalibre na nagmamahal sa tunay na gayon kasi. Punong-puno ng kulay at artistic skills ang iba't ibang departamento ng Kolehiyo ng Arte at Letra. Narito ang mga linguists sa AB English Language, mga future artista ng bayan sa Bachelor in Performing Arts, at mga matatapang na boses at mga periodista ng bayan mula sa Broadcasting and Journalism Department.
Anong dapat ano pa sa kulang?
Yan ang BA Communication.
Bachelor of Arts in Communication was formerly known as Audiovisual Communication. This adjustment was made through CHED Memorandum Order 35, Series of 2017, is a reflection of media landscape's demand for flexible and multifaceted communication professionals. Included in the courses of this program are digital photography, introduction to film, digital sound production, post-production techniques, communication theories, and more that focuses on script writing and film, video, and sound production. BA Communication equips students in communication theories and practices, honing their skills in interpersonal, organizational, and digital media. This program opens doors to diverse career paths to every communication graduate, including public relations, advertising, filmmaking, corporate communication, and beyond.
Matibay naman pala ng com program, ano? Ika, anong goal mo? Nata ka nag-com?
Alam mo kasi, COM offers broad range of opportunities. They turn passion into profession.
O ano, kamusta ka digdi? Maurag baga? Bago ang mga facilities. Matibayo ng mga professor. Tapos, nakulo ng mga urag ng estudyante. Ibang klase. Kaso, may kulang. Ano man ang kulang?
Mula